world! I am Nicole, and I'm here to talk to you about a very... Oh, my cat. Okay. Okay, hello world! I am very excited to be talking to you about a product that has become very near and dear to my heart, and that is the Kegelbell. Before I unbox this glorious thing, I'll tell you a little bit about my story with the product. I work as a freelance video editor, and one of my clients has become Kegelbell. And in doing their videos, and specifically a lot of the educational videos, my mind like exploded to learn about everything that the vagina is capable of.
Our strength has been underestimated historically. And the problem with all those other Kegel balls and yoni eggs is that they weren't heavy enough. Let's just keep women weak and keep them in their place.
At first, I thought to myself, okay, well, this is a product that I will definitely look into, you know, if or when I have kids, for after, you know, I'm only 27, I was like, oh, my vagina's fine. But I got to the videos on sex, and I was like, okay, sign me up. Undeniably, I was like, well, this is just something that everybody should have and needs. You know, I've just thought like, okay, well, this is what I have to work with, and that's it, and that's fine. Like, it's fine. No. Sorry, Mom and Dad. Without further ado, let's unbox. Okay, so this is the lovely box that it comes in. Stickers on the side, so I'll take a trusty knife. Be careful with this part. Okay. Oh, this is nice. There's a mission statement. So, on a mission to make things that matter. We invent things that should have always existed. Our vision is to improve every area of a woman's life by creatively developing problem-solving products that change the status quo and bring social issues to the forefront. Amen. And it goes on. It's amazing. So happy to work for them. Okay, so in here we have a little guidebook, preparing it, and little, like, you know, diagrams of precisely how to like use it and stuff. So that's very... I don't know if it'll focus, but it's very helpful. You see the weights are placed, and they're like decently... I was saying, I don't know where I'm gonna like, where my starting weight is gonna be, and this makes me feel like it's gonna be pretty low. But like I said, I'm just so excited to have a powerful body in every way. So bring it on. So there are 3 weights. There are 3, and they all stack like this, which makes 16 different like weight combos that you can actually build up muscle with. And it actually is the heaviest. I feel like I know everything about them because I edit all their like info, but it's the heaviest Kegel weight system on the market that has ever existed. So very proud. The little weight, I feel like if I had to like compare it to something, maybe if you like put 3 dice in a bag and like kind of, like, I'm gonna say like 3 dice. I like games. This one, okay, like this one, the second weight like makes me go, yeah, my vagina, there's no way, I don't think. But we're gonna find out. Maybe I might surprise myself, I don't know. This is like, the displacement is so different, it's hard to say. Yeah, they might be pretty similar. I don't know. And then weight C is like, yeah, right. Can't wait to be able to do that though. It's like a solid shot glass, like filled with liquid. And then take out the ball. Actually, there are 2 different sizes. So you take out this, and then you have the 2. It's excellent packaging. I know that people care about that sometimes, so. Here are the 2 different sizes. So the bigger one is obviously the easier one. And then as you need a greater challenge, then you come to the smaller ones, so you have to squeeze harder. They're not like intense. They don't make me afraid to like stick them inside. They're very, you know, smaller than other things. So if I were to demonstrate how they work, they have these little slots in the weights, and then they just go cling, cling, cling. But then if you want to just like, they're stackable. They're so awesome. It's wow, like, yeah, it's awesome. Okay, that's serious. Obviously, like, you can do the little one, and then with the biggest one, you don't have to like stack 1, 2, 3 all the time, you know. So between the 2 bulbs and then all the weights, that's what gives you, with the 3 weights, 16 different ways to strengthen your vagina. So I want to say thank you to Stephanie. You are a vagina warrior fairy queen. As soon as I, you know, said how excited I was and how much I was learning and like I couldn't wait to get one, in the mail like 2 days later. So Women Helping Women, this is a great company. And obviously I can't wait to see what happens.